This is just a very short tutorial on how to step the foot forward in your Vinyasa flow practice, perhaps from downward dog to warrior one, for example. I often see in the classes I teach, and a lot of us have struggled over the years to step the foot forward the full way. Maybe it gets stuck halfway or close to the front. It might even be something that you're working forward to even getting to there. So there are elements of core and hip flexibility, obviously, but this tutorial shows how you can create some space to make it that little bit easier in your practice. A big element of that is rounding through the upper back, so I'm going to show you what that looks like from the side, and then we'll practice it from downward dog. So we come onto all fours, hands under shoulders, knees underneath hips. If you press the floor away and round through the upper back, you can see that space that's created through the front body. And then relax down. That's what we need to do to be able to bring the foot forward or to make it easier. So if we walk the hands forward, the toes tuck under, inhale, lift the hips, downward dog. From here now we can rise onto the toes, draw the right knee into the chest. Gaze forward, we start to transition through our plank. Now if we don't round, there's not much space there to bring the foot through. We press and round through the upper back, shoulders still away from the ears. That foot will step through. And I'll show you from the other side. So once more, downward dog. Rise onto the toes. Hug that knee into the chest. Transition forward. So if I've not rounded much, that foot, there's not so much space to bring it through. Press and lift. And we step forward. So as I said before, hip flexibility obviously and core work or strong core will help you with this, but if you just practice that a few rounds or in your actual day-to-day practice, it'll come through. So thanks very much, and I hope you found this useful. Let me know in the comments.